Today we'll talk about how can you enable body composition notifications on your Samsung Health app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on my page down here. So when you click here on my page, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this, and you click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on notifications here. Then it's going to take us to this list, and you go down, come here to body compositions here. Then you click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean here body compositions notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.